Works Minister Thongam Vishwarjit releases calendar highlighting works taken up under PMGSY during 2016 to 2019. Appealed shoe groups not to threaten workers. And the Bahujan Samajwadi Party chief Mayawati suspends one-party MLA for supporting Citizenship Amendment Act. A very good afternoon to you all. I'm Kanal Sambandaram presenting you the Sunday afternoon news. Now let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of today. Works Minister Thongam Vishwarjit released calendars at his quarter in Sanjanthong today. The calendar highlighted works taken up under Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sadak Yojana (PMGSY) from the year 2017 to 2019. Speaking at the event, Works Minister Vishwarjit said that though 6,713 kilometers length of road was constructed under the scheme between 2000 to 2016, with the coming of the new government, 4,970 kilometers length of road was constructed under the scheme between a short span of 2017 to 2019. He expressed happiness that Manipur bagged third position for constructing maximum road length using green technology under the scheme. Maintaining that out of the three phases of the scheme, Vishwarjit said that Manipur has completed the first phase one of the scheme and works are being taken up for second phase. He asserted that the department is putting all-out efforts to make best use of the scheme despite the departments facing various inconveniences. Work Minister Thongam Vishwarjit appealed shoe groups not to threaten department officials and workers during road construction works.
Subcontractor mayamsina problem mayam create tawse contractor ki makha poli aduna akoi leriba thabak ama phangaudraga thabak ama case haibasdi magi luan banatraga chumba aini body case tawu yai case ama tawu matamda akoi thabak si help tor kanda machine case loidri phauta chatharak pojina sahi romda mangakpa sine maram morga akoi achievement da thingdar poje masi contractors na magi thabak ki interest aduga ai gi paisa phangna bagi damta khanbidana department gi amadi miyam gi amadi akoi gi leriba akoi department gi state gi khangbira kanda masi handopio natragadi akoi सरकार ना करिगुंबा मखोगी मथक्तसु वर्स एक्शन लौरप मतमदा मखोइसु नुवाइतबा लाकपने हाइबसे आई कॉन्ट्रैक्टर सिंगदा आई तसेंगना आई पंगुसगनेबा मसी.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee held the 163rd birth anniversary observance of Bir Tikendrajit at Congress Bhavan in BT Road today. Bir Tikendrajit sacrificed his life in the freedom struggle of Manipur. A statue of Bir Tikendrajit was also inaugurated on the occasion of the 96th Foundation Day of Sevadal, which is one of the most important branch of Indian National Congress. Inaugurating the statue, former Chief Minister cum CLP leader Okram Ibobi said that Bir Tikendrajit is one of the unforgettable nationalist figure of Manipur and his contribution will forever be remembered by today's generation.
Manipur state poksakiba mama leibak majati ki damukta Manipur si Bharat ta tindringi gi mamang da haiba tariko Bharat ta tindringi gi mamang ningthauna sasan tauba sovereign kingdom mama weringai matam du da madugi ningkha tambu ngakna na ba hotna ba da Farsi sagai da bo no na karga karimta keno tauba leitana mama leibak ki mikha po no sarpudi mama leibak si mikha po lo do sarpudi ai Farsi tauna hat ki karimta ningan na ba leite na adumai tawdar mapunsi kathokiba hero haiba tare khoi Manipur ki adun singum hero sida akhoi ikai khumnaba utpham thui.
The Pakhang Bus Services Manipur held its 12th Foundation Day celebration at Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy in Dhanamanjuri College campus today. Speaking at the event, Kairao MLA Lorembam Rameshwar urged people to use the native products of the state to enhance and boost the state's economy. He lauded Pakhang Bus Services for providing employment opportunities to the unemployed youths of the state. Maintaining that the public prefer organic products, he urged Pakhang Bus Services to take initiatives to make available various organic products in the state. He assured to provide agricultural rain for organic farming if deemed necessary.
ꯁꯤꯂꯤꯕꯤꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯅꯤꯡꯍꯟꯅꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯈꯪ ꯁꯥꯔꯚꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯁꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯗꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯊꯥꯒꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯐꯪꯉꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯃꯤꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯄꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯛꯇ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯥꯅꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯅꯥ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯦꯡ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯁꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯜ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯗꯨꯀꯥꯟ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯡꯖꯃꯩꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯀꯛꯆꯤꯡꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯧꯕꯥꯜꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁ ꯂꯩꯕꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯥꯅꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯝꯅꯔꯦ ꯌꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯈꯪꯕ ꯁꯥꯔꯚꯤꯁꯅ ꯂꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯁꯨ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯂꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯤꯖꯒꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯅꯥ ꯃꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯂꯨꯒꯨ ꯍꯋꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯌꯣꯡꯆꯥꯛꯄꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯟꯗꯁꯨ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯃ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ
AK Pisag and AK Ongbi Indumukhi Devi Football Academy Mongsangai Makalaikai observed the second death anniversary of AK Ongbi Indumukhi at the complex of the academy today. DGP LM Kaute and his spouse, Planning Department ARO Mimi Kaute, attended the ceremony. Staffs go the Academy also presented gifts to the senior citizens of the area on the occasion. Well, now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on protests continues unabated at various states of India against CAA. We'll back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Sunday Afternoon News. Protests against Citizenship Amendment Act continued unabated in various states of the country. Bahujan Samajwadi Party Chief Mayawati has suspended UP's Pathairai MLA Ramabai Parihar for supporting the contentious act. In Chennai's Vasant Nagar area, 5 people, including 4 women, were detained for their involvement in an anti-CAA protest by drawing rangoli. Assam Rifle team seized 9 truckloads of pine wood worth around 10 lakh rupees, which were being illegally transported from Fungyar and Nungsang in Ukhrul district. The team detained the 9 vehicles at Finch Corners vehicle checkpost. The drivers of the 9 vehicles, along with the illegal consignment, have been handed over to Forest Beat Office at Finch Corner for further legal actions. Now the sports news. Indian Aero defeated Churchill Brothers by 2-1 in a league match of the ongoing Hero I-League at Goa's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium yesterday. For the winner, Gibson Singh netted 2 goals at the 78th and 90th minute of the match. The lone goal of the losing team was scored by Radanfa Abu Bakr at the 42nd minute. Mumbai City Football Club will log horns with Hyderabad Football Club in a match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 at Mumbai Football Arena tonight at 7 p.m. In yesterday's league match played at Kerala's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Kerala Blaster Football Club and North-East United Football Club resulted in 1-1 draw. For Kerala Blaster Football Club's Bartholomew Ogbechi scored the lone goal at the 43rd minute of the match, and for North-East United Football Club, Asamohan Gand scored the lone goal at the 50th minute. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Works Minister Thongamt Vishwarjit releases calendar highlighting works taken up under PMGSY during 2016-19. Appeals shoe groups not to threaten workers. And Bahujan Samajwadi Party Chief Mayawati suspends one-party MLAs for supporting Citizenship Amendment Act.